Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you need to do if you want to collect stamps from your friends instead of town residents, aka NPCs. Make sure you bring food around because it takes up 30%. It just might subtract 30 energy from them if they stamp your expedition volunteer application form. So you're just going to press invite signups here and basically just stand here and then your friend will be able to press this button and stamp it. But again, I'm just um, getting stamps from town residents because each stamp is unique. But if you don't want to do that, you can do the other one instead by asking your friends. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!